Hey YouTube pals, today we're going to show you how to change a belt on an old LiftMaster garage door opener. As you see here, the belt broke from overuse. This happened because the door wasn't maintained. It needs upkeep at least 3 times a month. Motor service, door service, to avoid such issues.
La puerta está ahumando por lo menos.
The belt broke here and now the customer has to pay for a replacement. Invite you to subscribe to our channel, and if you have questions about changing a belt or need door service, call Express Garage Door Services. We can help and get you a good deal. Subscribe, hit like, and see you in the next video.